We bought an RV!
Now we officially own
Like
the
I said,
RV.
it's like, you own it.
You own it.
We own
yours.
it now, that's right.
Everything with it,
Right.
you own it.
Now we're truly screwed.
Now we're true.
So is this the right direction for the campground?
Okay, babe, it's been a long time coming.
I know.
It's been
I'm so
11 months, a lot of trials, a lot of delays, and we are here
I cannot believe this
in Iowa to check out this new RV.
I know.
You ready, baby?
I am so ready. You know, it's like it's gotten more surreal now.
I know, I can't believe it.
And I feel like it's so emotional.
We're actually gonna see our new, well, not these guys here. No. They're doing a lot of construction here. It's like a booming industry, right?
Yeah.
Here you go, baby. Oh, look at that, the Winnebago Echo. There she is, first view.
Wow.
And we have a lot of training to go through.
We got lots
So
of
we gotta,
training.
we gotta focus on training
we're gonna
today.
focus on the training, and this is very important, but we'll be back. Good orientation, several hours, but we
Right.
learned we need some extra parts. So it's cool that this shop has actually some parts we're gonna look at. What do you
Exactly,
think,
'cause we got nothing.
Dave? We got nothing.
We're like the best kind of customer. I think we need a little refill here with the coffee, babe.
Oh.
There you go.
Is there a little bourbon in that? Because you know I get it. It's kind of one of those things like now is the time. So we actually have gone through a fun process of the walkthrough, the excitement, and I'm kind of looking over like the checklist because now the paperwork part begins. So thank you for this coffee. I need that extra pick me up.
Right. Time for that paperwork.
I know.
Just
paperwork
paperwork.
begins.
That's all it is, just
Sign
paperwork.
your life away.
Yes.
Thank you for the coffee. Well, let me ask you, how are you feeling about this right now?
I'm excited. You know, I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. I know we're gonna have a lot of fun in this, and but you know, I think until we kind of go through everything, we got to go through the paperwork and hand over basically the check and get everything lined up for the financing.
There's
so
a lot of emotion.
I know.
It's like
so there's a little nervousness too.
a lot.
For sure.
I think there's already things that we've explained just we forgot, but I also think it's the moment you get in and start playing with things.
Right.
And just understanding it. So
It still feels a little surreal.
yes.
Like, is this real? This is just I'm gonna wake up from my dream.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh yeah.
All right, how you doing, babe? I kind of did the dirty deed.
Yeah, we did. Can you see the sweat?
I can't.
Okay. Well, it's under there.
Maybe you can. Maybe the camera can.
Yeah, well, definitely. But it is official. We are officially owners of this beast. of a
Winnebago
beauty.
Echo.
I know. I'm
22,
excited.
brand new.
She made it all happen.
Hey, thank you.
All
All right.
All right. So what now?
Now you get to camp your little hearts out.
Yes. Did you hear that? You
Camp
get to
your
camp our
little-
little hearts out.
I'm excited.
Look a little closer.
Hey.
Woo!
Now we officially own.
Like
the
I said, it's
RV.
like, you own it.
You own it.
We own
yours.
it now. That's
Everything-
right.
Everything with it,
Right.
you own it.
The joke's over.
The joke's over. Like, yeah.
All right, now it's real.
Well, yeah, you slap the check down, that's the end of it. You're done.
Yeah,
That's
we're-
like the last to go, right?
Now we're truly screwed.
Now we're true. Oh,
Well, it's time for our first drive.
I know. And I think the first stop, we don't really have anything in here. Like,
No.
we flew in, so there's not much to eat. I think the low blood sugar is starting to settle in. So the first stop, I think, is Walmart, because I don't know what time things close around here. What do you think?
Exactly. First trip for the Echo.
The first trip for the Echo
Heading to Walmart.
is heading to Walmart. Like it.
Let's light this candle.
Let's like this.
It's a quiet engine.
I know.
So you kind of expect, okay, dramatic start. Light this candle. Here we go. It's like, this quiet thing.
This is so surreal. We did it, y'all. We picked up our brand new Winnebago Echo 2022, and now the fun really begins.
So it's a little difficult shopping at Walmart when you have such a tight space in that RV. So right now we're trying to find,
Now they're twin beds, but I think getting like a full might work. I have no idea. It's really confusing, especially when you're really hungry.
so we're just gonna get some fitted sheets.
Some of the basics. We're gonna go get something to eat. Maybe get some ice cream and some maybe DVDs. I know it sounds really weird right now, but until we learn and try out everything in the RV, it's important for us to do that. And look,
How we doing?
I think we're doing okay so far.
This is our
Blankets,
first shopping trip.
First shopping trip, blankets,
Right.
towels, pillows, comfortable chairs to sit in.
And of course,
DVDs.
now don't hurt yourself. Can't take you anywhere. There you go. The echo. Woo.
I'm the mama.
First night.
Pillow fight.
All right. Welcome to our new home. At least our home on the road.
yes, and real test tonight.
Ooh, Klondikes.
Yes,
See how that freezer is?
Are you kidding me?
Forget putting a temperature gauge in there. Just put Klondikes in.
I like
We'll find
that.
out if it stays
Exactly.
frozen.
The ice cream stays frozen.
We're good.
We're good.
And of course, we have the external kitchen too with a freezer fridge combo. Got little Gatorades in there, keep it nice and cool. It's a pretty good sized fridge.
Oh, it's a very decent fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like it's high enough. These are ones that probably just lay down.
I mean, we're used to those small casino fridges, so we're good.
Boom, and it locks.
And we're ready to rock. Oh, I love this part. Bye-bye, sis. Yeah, I love it.
Sounds a little kind of crickety crankety.
What this?
I hear it kind of going in there.
Oh, come on, this is RV, baby. This is
RV.
this is
This is
our
RV. Exactly.
Ooh, our first state park in our RV.
It's so dark in here.
Oh my gosh.
Hours, 4 a.m. to 10:30. Do not park along the drive off-road. Must be the park. Wow. So is this the right direction for the campground?
I don't know. Maybe it's called Pilot Knob Campground. What time's it now? I don't get logged in.
Yeah, it's 10:30.
10:30 right now?
Yeah.
Oh, let's turn around. Okay. Maybe it's a campground somewhere. Okay, I can't turn around here.
Definitely can't turn on here.
Yeah, there's something to go up here.
Okay, this might be right. I see cars. Yeah, we slightly miscalculated our directions. And after a tiny feeling of being in a scene from a Halloween movie, we got back on the right track.
All right, so it's $10 here to park or to stay overnight if you aren't plugging up. We are not going to plug up tonight, so Tanya's putting in the $10. It's kind of like a self-service deposit box. Hey Tanya,
Yeah.
why don't we tell the folks why we actually are buying the Echo? Why did we buy the Echo?
Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. I like that. Good idea.
And one of the main reasons, actually, when they announced the Echo, it was a 4-season capability. And we actually had a Sprinter on order, which was beautiful, but it was smaller. One thing's the headroom, too.
Yeah.
But really that 4-season capability and the all-wheel drive and just the extra space for us and the cats,
Right.
too.
Well, we love, and speaking of the all-season capabilities, it's got really thick insulation, so it'll allow us to kind of do that winter camping that we're
Right.
looking forward to doing. And the garage space,
Very
really
nice.
big garage space. And, you mentioned cat-friendly. The doors, how they're
Yes.
more of a real door versus some of the ones that are kind of mesh
Yeah, that
nets.
screen.
Exactly.
It's good for the cats.
Yes, exactly. And instant hot water and great pressure in that shower.
Yeah, the shower is cool,
Yeah,
too.
we heard they're going to be it's really good. So I'm looking forward
Yeah.
to trying that.
Exactly. Okay in there?
Yeah. It's tight.
A little privacy?
It feels like I'm in an airport. an airplane bathroom.
At least there's no turbulence.
It's not good. I feel like it just sits on like one half of my butt cheek.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh, that was a rough one.
That's a rough one.
That was hard to maneuver.
I'm gonna give it a shot now.
It's gonna take a little getting used to.
Sounds like you're doing a good job. You're hitting the bowl, not the floor.
Close your eyes. Get some rest. I'm by your side.
Good morning, babe. Time to get up.
Oh, good morning. Ooh. Yes, and good morning indeed. Oh, how'd you sleep?
Slept well. I mean, I think I was a little excited, so I woke up a few times.
Yeah, first night.
Right? But it was comfortable. I thought the beds were comfortable.
Yeah. Did we do a great job on the blankets?
You did an amazing job.
Right, well, it was kind of cool, but I felt like it wasn't cold and the heat was kind of going on. Now we had it set to like 65, 64.
Yeah, I had it at 60, 64, so it's definitely cool. I raised it a little bit up this morning, so I mean, it's pretty nice in here.
Yeah, it's super cozy.
The skies ain't too gray. We're gonna be okay.
So this is a really cool campground here. We're kind of exploring. It was our first night in the RV, and I felt we did a pretty good job. Unpacked groceries, got some blankets, got some things you needed. There's a Walmart 30 minutes from the spot. So, wow. And like right there, you see we have a spot to ourselves, all to ourselves. The bathroom's here. Oh my God, so scary. It was like literally, I'm not kidding you. That bathroom had so much mouse poop on the bottom. I just couldn't do it. This is like 1 o'clock in the morning when we finally pulled in after like eating out and figuring things out. It was creepy, so I did not use that porta potty. Oh, it's so neat. So you can actually scan to pay with the Venmo account or $5 for a bundle, and they wrap up the bundle of woods so you can actually have a nice little campfire. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, love it. There's a campground and they have showers, so you don't have to waste all your water inside your van or your RV or your fifth wheel or whatever you have. Just take a shower here. Oh, the first time.
I gotta figure this out. How do I get this in? How do I get the key in here? Let's see.
Nice. It's one of those.
It's one of these. I thought it was, yeah.
It's that. No, is that one? Or let me try.
Let's see if we can get it. Let's see. I don't have that magic touch.
You
Looks like I can't do this.
Looks like you're not doing the pooper. Uh-oh.
Seems like it's kind of messed up.
Ah,
Oh, so it's not the gold
It's
one.
not the gold.
that's supposed to pop out, right?
Yeah, then it becomes like a button to push. So you kind of do that, and now it's like a button, and you pop these two buttons.
Ah.
But that's your job.
Right, you practice
Right?
that.
So that's like a button, right? So that buttons
Oh,
up.
nice.
And then I
Nice.
think, let's see how this works.
Is there anything you have to? Ooh,
I think this kind of just comes up like this.
that easy.
Yeah.
Wow, how heavy is it?
It's actually pretty heavy, surprising.
Yeah, we've been kind of
We've been using
drinking
it.
a lot of fluids.
Yeah, so we give it a shot.
It's crazy.
And then you kind of just take this, undo it, pop that button, pour right out.
I like it.
That's in theory.
In theory.
Here
All
we
right, let's
go.
go over there and hear you have the horror screams of hell coming
Oh,
out of
no.
your mouth. That
I think the smell is more from this outhouse.
come from here. Wow.
This is not the,
Wow. That is so bad.
wow, that we kind of filled that up. That was like one night. And that was just number one, too, so.
Well, your reaction was really impressive. I was expecting a.
No,
Oh
well-
my
well,
gosh,
it's-
I got
Well, I think it's different.
piss on my
I
hands.
think it's different when you're doing number two in there. So, I mean, it wasn't filled up all the way, but yeah, this kind of leaked out here. Because, I mean, this is where it opens, so this is not going to be, and this is where, and maybe it wasn't fully in, so I got to make sure this
it wasn't
pops.
plant. It didn't pop.
Yeah, so I got to pop it over. I wish there was a little hose for it somewhere.
We have a hose. There you go.
Okay, so then how does this work here?
Yes. So I think the hose goes here.
Kind of like that.
Is it in?
I think so.
Oh, there you go. It's like brown.
There you go. Ew.
It's like a little outdoor shower.
Hey, ooh.
Oh,
See, it's closed all the way.
all right, I think before maybe it wasn't.
Nice.
All right,
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. High five. High five. High five.
No, thank you.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay.
Nice job. Air high five. Air high five. One more time. Air high five. You did it.
High five. All right. Good.
Hi, I'm Pam. This is my park, Pilot Knob State Park, the best one in Iowa. Turn it up, world! Yes!
So, are you ready? Because we are about to go on our very first road trip.
First road trip, and it's a long one.
That's right, our first road trip. And we're heading across country back home to Las Vegas. What could go wrong?